Do you know the problem? Now we be the problem. We citizens, now we be the problem. Now we be our own problem. Now we be our own worst enemy. Our biggest enemy. Now, sir, we don't even take them a step further. Now we don't even care about human lives again. It's more or less blood money. Because we don't care about going as far as sacrificing the entire population just to survive. It has become that bad. Now, on my screen, this place where they see so, now Aba be this. Now warehouse where we say, you know, get any kind of beverage where these people know they manufacture, they counterfeit. I won't say manufacture. You know, get any kind of beverage where they know they counterfeit. You know, get any kind. So imagine, say this kind of people, they counterfeit things like pig milk. Imagine, say these people, they counterfeit drinks, assorted kind of drinks. Fanta, Coke, malt, Amstel, wine. And you see where would they drink for club? Moe. No kind beef, tin tomato served, then they counterfeit them for here. See over tin. It not get waiting these people know they counterfeit. And then they sell them. So what do you want to call this type now? Not be blood money. Because you don't care. As in, you don't care whether they're sick, whether they buy your counterfeited product, then fall sick, buy for the matter self. You know, send. If not, how human being, we get conscience. Blood, they flow through in bloodstreams, in veins. Go decide, think of something like this. Making the counterfeit product where people they consume. He not even care if na a relative go buy this thing, consumer. Imagine things like cooking oil. Well, I not see tin tomato for there. As in everything, these are your daily needs. Let me put it that way. As in they counterfeit your daily needs. But the surprising thing is, I think it was last year or last 2 years, they busted the same activity. Because if, say, the Nigerian authorities take action for the last one with them bust, I'm not sure say this one for repeat himself. They busted this same activity. Say then take better action, arrest, because right now we think they go just arrest now the boys on ground. The oga go settle. That's the main oga self where get the factory. Go come settle. Then go just arrest the boys, later release the boys. Or seal the premises later on. Because they're not even show us the premises. They didn't show us the premises. They didn't show us people arrested. All they show us was destroyed goods. Tomorrow the oga go open a shop. Continue waiting in they do. Next year again, then go arrest them if new government come. It's quite bad. That's why I say most times they like saying that the government self, they hate these things. Because you said they take drastic action, all these things when they happen. And this is very dangerous. This is very bad. This should be condemned. And people where they indulge for this kind, where they catch, they're supposed to punish them severely.